Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 3 of our 30 Days of Yoga series for 2021. And today, since it is Self-Care Sunday, we are going to do a meditation. And it's going to focus on keeping an open heart and mind. And I know that as we are adjusting to coming into a new year and a new season in our lives, it's important for us to let go of all the fear and doubt that we've brought in from the last season and make room for our hearts and minds to be open and ready to receive new things. And that includes new opportunities, new love, new relationships of all kinds. So we just want to be able to let go and make room for the new. So what you'll need today is yourself, your mat, and if you'd like to grab something to sit on, like a bolster, meditation pillow, a blanket, or just a regular pillow, you can do that. I'm going to opt to sit on the mat. So grab those things and we'll go ahead and get started. So I'm going to sit seated on my mat. If you grabbed anything, pillow, bolster, you can go ahead and sit on that. Sit your hips on that. And once you sit on that, that'll automatically bring your knees down towards the mat. If you're sitting flat on the mat, I suggest that you just kind of rock from side to side to get the hips grounded. And that's going to help you to tilt your pelvis forward a little bit and to sit tall. I'm going to keep my hands at my knees. You can have the palms face down if you want, or if you'd like to collect the energy around you, you can have the palms open. Your choice. I'm just going to press down a little bit to lift my chest up. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears, and then down and back. And just relax your shoulders here. And think about keeping the spine tall, reaching through the crown of the head. And I'll let you decide if you'd like to keep your eyes open or closed here. And we'll start with 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Noticing the movement. Inhale, chest rises. Exhale, chest falls. Same with the belly. Inhale. Belly may expand out a little bit. And exhale. Belly deflates. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. And then we'll just take a moment to reflect on our fears in this very moment. Think about what has been holding you back from reaching your greatest potential. Maybe it's outside factors that are outside of your control. Maybe it's the thoughts of others. And maybe you realize that it's just yourself. How have you held yourself back? And just remember that as we're acknowledging our fears and acknowledging what's holding us back in this moment, that we're not having any judgment towards it. Just notice it, acknowledge it. Now that you've taken a moment to acknowledge your fears, your doubts, let's take a moment to think about how you can actively work past those fears. What are some practical steps and attainable steps that you can take to work towards moving past your fears? How can you move past allowing the voices of others to dictate your path? How can you move past your own negative self-talk that creates fear in your heart? Take a moment to acknowledge that the way that we allow our fears to hold us back from reaching our greatest potential also depends on how we respond to them. We know we have to acknowledge our fears, acknowledge our doubts, acknowledge our roles and how we move forward. And we can also take some time to focus on affirmations. And our affirmations can help us to change our mindset towards our fears. It can help us move past them. So let's focus back on our breath. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. And then we'll add in our affirmation. So just checking your posture, maybe sitting tall once more as we've relaxed and breathed through this meditation. We can notice how relaxed we become, how the shoulders may start to slump. And that's okay. Inhale. And exhale. And as you inhale, I want you to think about the affirmation of I let go of fear and doubt. And as you exhale, I want you to think about the affirmation of I am open to receiving new opportunities and new things. So let's inhale through the nose. I let go of fear and doubt. Open the mouth and exhale. I am open to receiving new opportunities and new things. Again, inhale. I let go of fear and doubt. And exhale. I am open to receiving new opportunities, and new things. One last time, inhale. I let go of fear and doubt. And exhale. I am open to receiving new opportunities and new things. Return to your normal breath. We're just going to seal our affirmations with a little bit of sound healing, the sound of the singing bowl. So you can remain where you are, sitting tall. Eyes can still be closed. If you choose to open them, that is okay. Take a deep breath in and out. If your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them, coming back into your space and bringing your hands in front of your heart. You can bow your head to your heart if you like. Just bowing in gratitude for this time of self-care, this meditation of us acknowledging our fears and doubts, letting them go, and creating space in our hearts and our minds to be open to receiving new opportunities. Always remember that the light in me sees and honors the light within each of you. Thank you so much for joining me today for this meditation. I will see you all for day number 4 tomorrow.